Hi friends, this is Mr. Alfred Aramban, one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the community, a very avid traveler also globally, and has a lot of business interest, believes in one powerful word, that is innovation. So Alfred, what has been the secret of your success in life as an entrepreneur?
I'm a relationships man, and I see opportunity in everything that I see. I believe in people, I trust them, and I'm very, very flexible. And there's an opportunity all over. So now this time has come when I have to decide what I don't want to do. So the worst thing you can do to me is challenge me. And whatever I've done in life is out of challenges. And India is a country of challenges, as you know. And I am happy that in my own lifetime I've seen things happening in India which I spoke and people would laugh about. So challenges is something that has driven me always.
How important is vision building for an entrepreneurship?
See, if you don't have a vision, you just cannot make a plan. And if you don't have a plan, you are planning to fail. So it's as simple as that.
You believe in innovation. What is that you will advise to an entrepreneur to have a flexible mind?
Is I spoke today about fixedness, so don't have any fixedness. Now, besides the serious part of cognitive fixedness and the various study that has been done, socially we have a lot of fixedness. Take Christians, for example. We always work well for others and we think that business is not for us. That's the biggest fixedness we need to break. Then we also have a feeling that, among our brethren we'll not help each other. That's again a myth. That's again a fixedness. Rajesh has met me, I have met Rajesh, and we are here together because we broke that fixedness. And that would have never happened.
What is the best suggestion that you would like to make to an entrepreneur?
Is, keep that fire in your belly growing, believe in yourself, and give everything that you can. And most important, I think, if you don't have a plan, then take whatever you get and learn from it, and then the others will follow.
What is the single best motivation that drives you in your business?
Actually it's a philosophical answer that I would never, my greatest fear is never to let anybody down. So that extends to everything that I do. So that's also that fear turns into a motivation.
Economically, where do you see India by 2020?
Superpower for sure.
Fantastic. So you think a day will come when we will be able to buy $60 for 1 Indian rupee?
Actually, that's a technical question. I think I never go by the exchange rate. There is so many dimensions to it. So there was a time when I went with $7 in my pocket when I went out. That was the only allowance. So as against that, what you get. So I think one was to just concentrate on the GDP, and that's the most important thing. Exchange is something that is too more complicated and too many things playing on it. So I would not go by whether it is 60 or whatever it is. Presently the dollar is being buoyed, that's all, and that's the reason what's happened to the Indian rupee.
What according to you is leadership?
Leadership is, my mantra is you have to be fair, you have to lead from the front, set a good example, and that's it.
Thanks a lot, Alfred. This is Alfred Aramban. He really had a very interesting interaction with us today. We enjoyed it. Everybody present has really made a lot of notes which will be helpful for them and their enterprises lifetime. Once again, this is Agnello Rajesh with the great Alfred Aramban. Bye for now.
Thanks. Thank you very much.